Good Sunday. Oh, what's up, everybody? I don't know if anyone's here yet. Give me just a second to get all this set up, and I'll be right with you. Hope everybody's having a blessed weekend. Lots of fun, making lots of memories. I'm going to make this a real quick one. I'm just going to make out some call outs for tonight's trade and basically for tomorrow's trades. PM signal. Tomorrow's, I didn't even spell that right. Tomorrow's trades. Yeah, no, poor Uncle Mark too. He's hanging out with my Uncle Micah too. Anyway, Sunday. And live trading. The safetytrade.com. Good evening, everybody. Be right with y'all. Good Sunday evening. Hope y'all are having a great weekend. Just taking some live signal pause for tonight / tomorrow. Now, let me copy a few things. Be right with everybody in just a second. I gotta get my things here. Hope y'all having a great weekend. Hope you're kicking ass, having fun, making some great memories. Remember, life is short. Enjoy yourselves while we're here. Make some great memories, people you love and care about. Maybe try to help make the place a little bit better, the world a little bit better. Today, Lord knows what tomorrow brings. All right, now I'm going to go over here. I think we're live on TikTok too. Yep. Let's see what we got over here. Nope, don't want that, but we do want this. Got our third stand store opened up. Yay. What's up, Tony? What's up, Larry Cooper? What's up, P2? What's up, CISO? Who's over here on Dun Peel? Good evening, good afternoon, Dun Peel and Tank Dog and Jamie Rojo and Tim Wong and Tanny B and John Lamiro and Jossie Chu. Yes, I'm fine. Hope you are too. Dr. Bianca Adams. Joseph Tamburino. God bless you too. Good afternoon, Martin Griffiths. What's up, Martin? Lisa Shea, Rob Groot. What's up, Groot? What's up, Larry Cooper and JSMB1? My TikTok, I am Groot. What's up, Groot? P2, CISO, Joe and Cindy, Yolanda, Jury Frickle. God bless y'all. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Hope you're having a great Sunday. What's up, Cy? What's up, Michael Samoes? Samoes? What's up, Matt? Matt says, hey, Kev, quitting my job tomorrow. This system is amazing. Okay, Matt. Congratulations to Matt. Hope you're just consistent with your trading at this point, my brother, but I hope you are. I'm sure you are. Congratulations. Everyone should be, congratulating Matt. He'll be joining the ranks of like Kim and dozens and dozens of other people. What's up, Esther? Good afternoon, OVE Kayati. Good afternoon, little Joe. What's up, Stacy Ochuzo? Good evening, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody, whatever it really is. All right, I'm just going to whip through a whole bunch of things. As always, I'm going to treat you how I trade exactly, whether you want to trade that way or not. Is entirely up to you. Then I'm going to call about a dozen different symbols. I know, right? I want to quit in a minute. Rob. Larry Cooper, God bless you too, Larry. David McKinsey, good afternoon. If you guys didn't hear, Matt is, let me go ahead and pin that message. There we go. Hey, Kev, quitting my job tomorrow. This system is amazing. Buy the system. Wow. If that doesn't talk to you, then I don't know what does. Because that's crazy good. All right. I'm going to pull up our dandy legal disclaimer. What's up, Lock? Feels great. No more bullshit. Amen to that. Talking about something that feels great, you don't have to deal with that bullshit. This is our legal disclosure, just like everything else I say and do. This is just for fun and educational purpose only. You need to validate your own trades, your own demo account. I'm not a financial advisor. So I'm pretty sure anyone that knows me understands that I am not a financial advisor. But please type yes if you guys understand that I am not a financial advisor. I would appreciate that. Sorry, I know a lot of you are coming in. But that's just, the disclosure. I don't want any of your business. I don't want any of your money. I do this for my own. Oh, shoot. The power went out. Okay, give me just a second. Let me go ahead. I'll be right back, everybody. I'm going to just show you how I trade and run through about a dozen different trades. Give me just a second. I saw your little message. I got you. Yeah, turn off the AC at first because they can't crawl up. And then I'll flip the breaker. Sorry about that, Chris. Now we turn it off. Kind of like your lights one, not the other. Love you. All right, guys, I'm back. All right, guys. Back in the saddle again. All right. Good afternoon, Georgie. Good afternoon, Robel and E88851. All right, so here we go. So how do we trade and what do we do and how does the system work? Let's be clear. I see a lot of confusion still in the Discord because the blind's leading the blind. You guys aren't shutting your mouths and being quiet and listening. So let me help you out with that. Do and trade exactly how I'm trading. You should get very, 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 very similar results. Obviously, by the way, these are my results. I have a trade from last Friday, 2 Fridays ago now, and then 10.9 on gold, and this is on NAS. Up 630 pips, 629 pips, and up $132 an ounce on gold. Anywho, so how do we get those results? What do we do? Simple. We come over, we do our prayers, then we do our Wim Hof and lifting, and then we look at our H&H scanner, okay? So what do we see on our H&H scanner right here? Is anything odd? I see a few red and 1 green. This is going to give me a heads up that these might turn to red on the 5 minutes. So I'll look for 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops. And then I'm going to go ahead and look for these to flip and they'll come back up again. We'll look for some buy stops on the 1 minutes. So those are my heads up on what I'll be looking for. But in the meantime, the very first thing I do is I go and look at the 1 hour. And I do this for NAS because I trade all 3 of them, just like it says on our thing, which I think a lot of you newbies are not realizing. When I tell you I look at this H&H scanner, which is a free gift from me and Bri, that's included only if you have bought the sniper and only if you have bought the scanner room, either or. We gave you this $500 a month gift for free. And yes, that's what we do charge for it. So this right here is showing you, the scanner is showing you US 30, NAS, and SPX. So I trade all three symbols at once. And if you're a true beginner and you're unsure of your trades, and I had one of my family members get real cocky on Friday. He thought that because he traded oil once, listen to this. Does this even make common sense to any of you listening? He was trading up until today, up until Friday. So listen to this. For the first 1, 2, 3 weeks, he never missed one trade using the system, using the way I'm about to show you. He never missed one trade. And then on Friday, he went and traded oil. On Thursday, he went and traded oil and made money. So then on Friday, he went and traded oil big and he lost money. Now, does anyone here, A, you can probably relate to that, but B is, why the fuck would you change anything if you admit he didn't have one loss the whole month of November up until the 17th? He has 16 days of never losing one trade ever by trading US 30, NAS, and SPX. He decides to go over to oil, trade it Thursday, make money, get cocky, didn't follow any of the rules. Good afternoon, Michael Stefani. And then what? And then he lost big on Friday trying to trade oil again. Is that okay? To me, that's lack of common sense. He didn't follow any of the fucking rules. He thought he was superior to trading, thought he can trade on his own, I guess, evidently. And he ended up losing big on Friday. He didn't lose one time trading the way I'm teaching you, going to teach you right now. For 17 days straight, he never lost. And then he decided he was going to trade oil on Thursday, win. He gets evidently big-headed or something. I have no idea what he was thinking. And then he traded oil again on Friday and lost big. What the fuck? Can anybody see why I'm a little bit annoyed about that? Do you guys see how if you've never lost a trade for 17 fucking days straight, why would you then trade something else? Do you guys see my frustration? 7s for yes, 9s for no. I'm going to repeat it a million times until you do. 7s for yes, 9s for no. He never lost a trade in the month of November, and then he decides to do something fucking different and not follow the rules and trade a different symbol. What the fuck? So I was a little bit rough on him. He's a family member and I love him. You know, he's my brother, one of my brothers. But I was just like beside myself with what the fuck? So you agree with me then? Because I was like, you never lost a trade for 17 fucking trading days, the whole month of November. And then you decide to go off on your own. And then you decide to trade oil. And then you try to say trade oil the next day. He doesn't trade it small. He lost almost $1,000. What the fuck? I'm glad you guys see my way I'm looking at things. I'm like, what the fuck? If you haven't lost trading, why would you trade anything else but US 30, NAS, and SPX? What the fuck? Whatever. So anywho, first thing I do is pray. Second thing I do, this is how one of my brothers never lost a trade in November. Okay? He said his prayers in the morning when he woke up. He did his Wim Hof, his breathing, his lifting. And then he looked over at his charts and he looked at this scanner right here. And he started to notice things, what was happening on the 1 hour, the 1 minute, and so on, just like I went over with you. And then what did he do? Then my brother, he decided to look at the 1 hour charts. So we're going to look at NAS 1 hour, US 30 1 hour, and SPX 1 hour. And what do we see on the 1 hour chart? Okay, this is beautiful because this is going to be this is going to be a heads up for a lot of folks out there. Okay, what do we see on these charts? A lot of you are going to notice, hey, I see a buy stop, right? Well, this is a 1 hour buy stop, and that is true. But our 1 hour line is supposed to be 1 hour, 15 minutes is what we're supposed to be trading. So if we do our 1 hour, 15 minutes, what is it? Well, it's nothing because the 15 minutes down low and the 1 hour is down low. So there's nothing here. So there isn't a sell stop here. So if there's not a 15-minute 1 hour sell, which is the only thing we're supposed to be playing, hint, hint, everyone out there that's mistaking, losing trades, you can't do a 15-minute 1 hour when they're both down. Look, you can't do it. There's nothing to do. So then what do? You look up to the next highest time frame, which is the 4 hour. And you're going to see right here, the blue line is up high. So I go, hey, the US 30 blue line's up high on the 4 hour. Oh, look, the NAS's blue line, 4 hour blue line on the sniper is up there. SPX is up there. The last time this happened was right here. You can clearly see this was up here. So now that we know these are 1 hour, 4 hour trades, we're going to go ahead and look at our rules. And what do our rules say? So let's take a look. What do our rules say? Right here. Our rules look exactly like this. You go ahead and look. We're going to be looking for a buy stop on a 1 hour, 4 hour chart. That would be green and up, looking like this. The red would be down if we're looking for a sell stop, but we can't do a sell stop because our 1 hour is down and the 15 minutes is down. So we have to go to the 4 hour. What do we see? A buy stop. So we're going to look for that. How do we know if we find it? Because of these rules. This is how you find if our logo is up or down. A, B, C, D, and I'll go over those with you live so you can see them. And then I come over and I read all of my rules because so many of you are so fucking lazy. It drives me insane. And I'm very proud of my other brother because he said he spent yesterday morning studying his rules. Oh my God, he's never read the rules once in his life. And now he's studying them. I'm very, very, very happy for him. So specific rules, trading. And there's rule number 1, 2, and 3. And it says, if you don't see a clear, safe trade in 1 minute, it doesn't say 1 minute, but it means 1 minute. Then go to 5 minute and so on. The order in which safety trades develop are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour. So if we're doing a 1 hour, 4 hour, we have to keep checking the 1 minute, 5 minute to see if there's anything forming against us. They will develop first. Then this will happen. You can open up more than one, but don't get suckered into those higher time frames. If the 1 minute, 5 minutes are forming, follow those first. Once they're finished, after they hit their blue line once, twice, or 3 or 4 times, or come close to it, you'll see one of the 3 change, and you'll know that it's ready to go the other direction. As soon as the safety trade is triggered, put in your stop loss. That's another thing, by the way. My one brother didn't even use a stop loss when he's trading oil. Fuck, he did nothing correct and wonder why he lost. He's getting big-headed, thought he can trade without the rules, and you cannot do that. Sound familiar to anybody? What's up, Mike Moy? So when you're going to take your profit, you open up 2 trades, close one down. You guys see me do that every day. Always move yourself. You don't see me do this a lot unless it's live on the 9:30 open because it moves up and down. I have to move up and down with it. Always thank God, always do good with your profits, and always have my back. So now that we went over our rules, we're going to go ahead. Hey, we're going to look and we're going to say, hey, I wonder if I see, what do I see? So we're going to go to our 4 hour. We'll do SPX first, and we're going to look for our logo. What does the logo look like? Okay. What's up, Tarson Black? What's up, Mike Moy? And we're going to look like this. Starts underneath. What's up, Dr. Matt? Doing wonderful. Comes up, told to go up. Comes back down right here. Boop. Right? And that's what it looks like. Came back down here. Boop. Hasn't come down here. It needs to come down here. Then we'll be in boop. So I'm still looking for a pullback over here. Good afternoon, investment trading. All right. So this is what it looks like on our 4 hour. Now we have to see if the same exact logo is forming on our 1 hour. So let's go over to the 1 hour. I'll move this over to the 4 hour. And this is going to be SPX on the left, 4 hour. Doop, doop, doop. And then we're going to have to shrink that a little bit because we don't have a lot of room. All right, so our logo again, just so we're clear on the 4 hour, starts below, told to come up, came back, retrace, came back, retrace, came back, retrace. We're waiting for this one to come back and retrace. Then we're going to look at our 1 hour now. Let's take a look at the 1 hour and see. Engage both. Looks to me like we have a retracement here and it went up, correct? Let's go back here. And that's the retracement right there. And of course, it shot up. Comes over. This is our logo. Clearly, you can see this. Under, up, retracement up, retracement up, retracement, boom, and then so on and so forth. So that's our logo. So it looks very good for our logos. After we see our logos, then we just let it strictly take over. The simplest, easiest way of trading ever made is number 1 is our blue line up high. Number 2 is the blue line down low. Then our confirmations would be 3. Does the pink line come down with it? And 4, is there a buy stop? You can't see a buy stop right here. There's a fill in the gap right there. But there is a buy stop, a fill in the gap buy stop right there. So now if SPX doesn't show it, we're going to go to NAS to see what it looks like. And I don't see the buy stop, but here I do on US 30. So we'll make it US 30. You can clearly see high line 1, blue line down low 2, pink line down, buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. US 30. Me, myself, and I'm still not comfortable with the fact that this is not close enough to the yellow line on the 4-hour. I'm not saying it won't go up. I just prefer the yellow line, the price to come down towards the yellow line a little bit more, much like it did right here, perfection, and just like it did over here, perfection, that one. So if we can get to pullback, that pullback, even something a little closer to this, I would prefer a pullback down. So that is the 1-hour, 4-hour setups for NAS, SPX, and US 30. I'm going to go down to the 1 minute and see what we look like. Yep, sell stop was there. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. 5 minute, 1 minute, 5. This is the very first time it happened. Matter of fact, I wonder if Sid's here. Sid, are you on yet today? I don't know if Sid's here. What's up, Raider Trader? All right. So neither here nor there, but that's how I look for my trades. And if there is a 1 minute, 5 minute, I have to honor this. And there is a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, which is what we want technically. We want it to go down closer, right, to this 4-hour line, yellow, red line, just like it did right here. This is what we want. See it? Straight up she blows. Want it to come down again and then do the same thing over again. Will it? I don't know. Am I going to take the trade? Not this one, not yet. I'm not going to do any options or anything. I'm going to wait for it to pull back down on the 4-hour. Okay? So I'll call those out in just a second, but that's how I read every chart. Yes, it works the same way on TradingView. I know people are like, oh, it's TradingView, it's TradingView. I can't help it that all these shithole places out there are giving us a hard time. All I can tell you for a fact is it works the exact same way on TradingView as it does on anything. So if you can get it over on TradingView, that's fantastic. Let me get over to here and see if we have a TradingView. Here we go. Let me log into this one. Oh, it is? Well, that's unusual. All right, TradingView right here. This is what it looks like. It's actually easier to read on TradingView, quite frankly. We do the 1-hour US 30 on the top, the 4-hour US 30 on the bottom, and you can clearly see that we're 1 high, 2 low, 3 pink down, 4 buy stops right here. Last time it happened was right here. It went up. Now it's right here. Will it go up? I don't know. I know it's already done it twice before. This will be the 3rd time. The system is calling for it, so I would play this. I'm just not going to. I'm in a NAS long-term buy anyway, so I'm more than hunky-dory. This is exactly what it looks like on your buy side. You can clearly see how easy this is to follow. On the top 1 hour, on the bottom 4-hour. Boop, boop. You can. That's why I love this. You see this right here? One is low and one is high. You can clearly see it. So TradingView has its issues, but one of them showing you the 1 hour, 4 hours, or the 15-minute 1 hours isn't one of them. And then one of the best things that TradingView does is it gives us a 30-second confirmation for a 1 minute, or better yet, a 30-second for a 3 minute. But that's beside the point. So this is what I'm looking at right here and what I'm seeing. Yep. Doop, 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 doop. There it is. The last time it happened over there, and there it is right now. Just perfection. Okay, so now I'm going to call out everything. What's up, Kev Bri, while listening? What's up, Sydney? Sydney. And we need this to have on our coding that you're making for us, please, sir. I beg of you. We need to know the very first time, especially for the 15-minute, when we have a 15-minute blue line come down and the pink line come up, and that's against the 1 hour when it's the opposite, right? When it's up and down, it's not right there, obviously. But when it is, that's when we need to know. Or, for instance, the very first time, blue line on the 1 hour, pink line. But I just want to stick with those 15. I want us to perfect the 15-minute 1 hours. So I don't know how to word that to you, but we need this to be perfected. I want to know, like, for instance, the very, very, very first time, where is it? Price goes up, pink goes down, meets our qualification. I'm not even sure I like this one. Let me see a few others here. Hold on. See if we can get a bottom. There's one right there. This is perfection. So we need to know, Sid, when the 15-minute blue line, well, technically, let me rephrase that. Oh my goodness, he's gonna get mad at me. I'm trying to show him in simple instruction. I'm horseshitting around every which way. All right, right here. Let's just do this one, where the very first time the 1 hour goes from the high to the low, and then we have our, well, let's do this right here. We're going to do 1 hour here, and we're going to do 15 minutes over there so we can be specific. So the very, 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 very first time, let me bring US 30 into this, by the way. All right. So we're going to do 15-minute 1 hour, Sid. And the very first time that we see the 1 hour or it doesn't matter. We can do the 15-minute too, but I prefer this. The 1 hour does its blue line, goes from high to low. And then we see our pink line arch, the blue line on the 15-minute arch up against it. And then the very first time the pink on that 1 hour arch is up against it, right? And then this is not even a sell stop here. It must be a 30-minute. Let me see real quick. It is not. It's not going to be. Well, you get the idea. I really don't want to horse shit around and look for all that crap right now, but he knows what I mean. That's all. So when we see this, let me see if I can get him a buy stop instead. No, so we're going to have to keep going back. I don't know how much free stuff we have here. Nope. And this is the very first time right here. This would be it. Yeah, okay. So here's a buy stop, Sid. It goes from logo forms, comes over, comes up. 1, blue, up, high, down, low. 2, is this the first time or is this the first time? This is probably the first time. Yeah. 2, 3, the pink line. This is the important one where the pink line first comes against it on the 1 hour. We see our dip, right? And then the buy stop right here. So this is a perfect example for a buy for you, Sid, at 11:13, 7:15. Right there would be a perfect example of that. I love TradingView. Nice, John. What's up, Kevin Bri? Awesome. All right, so that's all said. Just if you can, we need to differentiate for everybody. The very first time the 15-minute 1 hours happen on US 30, NAS, and SPX. That's huge for us, okay? It's also going to be in our future for when we start giving out oil signals, gold signals, ERUSD signals. We have to have GBP, JPY signals, Bitcoin signals. Yes, I'll be providing a signal service. The only people it will be open to are the people who have bought the system in the sniper. That's it. And then it's going to be something staged at like $100 a month. I just want you all to make money while you're trading with me, learning the system so you can make money. So if I give you a signal that has a 90, 95% win rate, 99% win rate, whatever it's going to be, you can actually trade that signal in demo money because you can't use real money, right? But if wink, wink, but if you wanted to do whatever you're going to do with it, you can trade it and then you can make your money while you're learning the system. So I can rationally do that. Now, it's going to be basically 2 to 3 or 4 signals for the first $100 and then another 3, 4 signals for the next $200. And then if you wanted all the signals they send out to be 300, but I don't know if I'm going to sell many of those 300s. I might limit the 300s. I might not allow it or just maybe allow 50 people or 20 people. I don't know. I'm probably going to limit the hell out of that because I want everyone learning how to fish. I don't want you guys having to rely on my signals. I don't want you to have to rely on me to read this shit. I want you guys to learn how to trade on your own. Does that make sense? But anyway, in the meantime, it's a hard thing because then some of you are quitting because you don't make money with the system because you're still learning it. Well, I want you to fucking make money. Well, anywho, so that's coming down the road. All right. Thank you, Sid. All right. So here we go. I'm going to call out. We did the other direction last time. Let's do it opposite again. Gold. I'm going to call out gold first, and then we'll work our way down. Gold. 1 minute, 5 minutes sell. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop for gold to the blue line of the 5 minute. Gold. 30 minute. What's up, Bob? Gold. 30 minute. 30 minute. Nope. 1 hour. 1 hour. 4 hour. 30 minute. 1 hour buy stop gold. Oh, that's beautiful right there. That is beautiful. Why do I? Oh, whoa. Oh, that's my gold right there. I'm sorry. Buy stop gold. We're good. I'm in that trade. We're good. Gold daily. Oh, we got to put this up too, by the way. So we're just sure. Here. I got to give more room to my other ones. There we go. Much better. Okay. All right. Gold. Where were we? 4 hour daily buy, weekly buy, and monthly nothing. That's gold. US 30. 1 minute. Already hit its blue line and passed it. 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, US 30. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute sell stops to either US 30 blue line, NAS blue line, or SPX blue line. 15 minute. 30 minute. 30 minute, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Let's pray for a closer pullback on the 4 hour charts. That's what I wrote down Friday for you guys, and that's true, and that's what's happening. We need to come closer. Daily, nothing. Weekly buy on US 30. NAS, 1 minute. Sell to the blue line. It just happened on Friday. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop, NAS. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, NAS. Needs to come closer on the 4 hour line back down to it, but it's getting there. SPX, 1 minute. Sell stop. Already hit its blue line. 5 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop in all three indices to their respective, towards their respective 5 minute blue lines. Not saying it's going to hit it, but I would like it to pull down further, at least come close to touching their 5 minute blue lines. 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop again. We want it to get closer down here. Will it? I think so. I think it's going to dip down. It's going to do this. All three indices are going to do this. Boop, pull back up, pull back up, pull back up. It's going to pull back to here and then go up again. That's what I see on the 4 hour. All three of them. If it gets my wish, we're all going to make a good bit of money on that pull back up. All right. So that's SPX. EURUSD. EURUSD is the exact same thing. I'm sorry, is the exact opposite thing of UDCHF, USD, CHF. One's a sell stop, you see, and then one's a buy stop. Pretty weird, but whatever. Markets aren't rigged, my asshole. 1 minute buy nothing. 5 minute too late. 50. Oh, this is crazy good. I remember making so much money on this Friday with those options. Holy shit. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Look at this. Exactly what I want our other ones to do on their 1 hour, 4 hours is to pull back. See how it came down? See that cheat move they did? This is all you need to see. See that where they cheated and pulled this back to yellow? That's a yellow line. That's on the 4 hours. Exactly what I want to see. See, it isn't done it yet on US 30. Hasn't done that yet on SPX. Hasn't done that yet on NAS. So until it does that, I'm not comfortable taking those. I was more than comfortable taking it here when I told you guys to buy stop right there. I said, buy stop, bingo, boppo, bango. They had jerked it down towards this yellow line. I made money live with you guys all day that day. I'm not calling anything. It's a weekly sell stop, monthly to the monthly blue line. I'm not calling anything else for that bullshit. GBB, JPY, sell. 1 minute sell stop. It's useless. It needs to pull back. 5 minute sell stop. 30 minute 1 hour sell stop. 4 hour buy stop. 4 hour daily buy stop. GBB, JPY. Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Let's see. 1 minute. Let me see Ethereum. Ooh, smoking. Wow. 5 minute. Nope. 15 minute. 30 minute. Let me see Bitcoin. 5 minute. Bitcoin. Wow. You go, little Bitcoin. I love it. I sure hope it's out of that danger zone. 1 minute buy stop Bitcoin. It's too late. I mean, you should have played this earlier. 15 minute, 30 minute. 30. It is. I wouldn't play Bitcoin. It's too far up. 1 hour buy, 4 hour buy. All this shit was called out Friday for you. Daily. Snuck down, did the yellow line touch right there. Came back up again daily. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. Ethereum, same thing. I'm not calling shit on it. XRP. XRP's in the house, baby. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. 5-minute, 15-minute buy. 1 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15, 1 hour, 15. 15 minutes, already did it. 15 minutes, so it's going to be a 1 hour then, 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour sell. 1 hour, 4 hour sell to the blue line. Weekly sell to the blue line, monthly buy, XRP. US oil, UK oil. 1 minute. 5 minutes. Too far. This must be far away on something. Where's it? Yeah. Way too far away. 1 minute sell, stop US oil. It's got to regroup a little bit here. Then it's going to form a 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. Nope, it's still going to go up. Oh, fuck. Wow. Damn, I think it's still going to go up. 1 minute sell, 5-minute, 15-minute buy to the blue line of the 15-minute blue line. Then it's going to switch and it's going to go directly into a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop oil. Look at it. Did it go to this blue line? Did it touch that blue line? Oh, it bounced. That's what I remember. Yeah. That's gorgeous. Look how oil went right down to the blue line. It's beautiful. This is US and UK oil, by the way. They're both the same. Buy monthly oil. All right. I think I'm comfortable with all that. Spent entirely too much time on it. All right, James Cochran, what's up, buddy? All right. Anybody have any questions over the call outs this evening? Please let me know. I told you exactly how to trade, how I trade personally. You need to record your sessions, by the way. If anybody's new here, speak up now before I go. Anybody new? What's up, James? Yeah, normally on these evenings, I don't give a shit about thumbs up. It's just during the day so I can reach more people. All right, TikTokers, have a great rest of your Sunday. Have a great rest of your weekend. Lord willing, see you tonight. YouTube. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? YouTubers. Da, 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 da. You're welcome, Stacy. Maybe a little bit, Tank Dog. We'll see. You're welcome, Tim Wong. You're welcome, Joe and Cindy. Appreciate you, Esther. Thank you, Esther. Thank you guys very much. God bless you all. Everybody have the rest of their great weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Make some great memories. Lord willing, it's the only thing we're going to take with us. So might as well enjoy the fuck out of them. All right, guys. Good night. Lord willing, see you tomorrow.